Oh, Daddy likes it then.
He's just staring at it waiting for you to touch it.
You sense Daddy calm down. You sense Daddy calm down.
Alright, so Daddy's playing with Mr. Pugsley. And Mommy is looking. She's cleaning her computer. She's getting help cleaning inside of her computer. We'll see what Pugsley thinks about someone else helping Mommy clean her computer. Mr. Pugsley!
Who is it? Who is it?
Mr. Pugsley, no! In here!
Look at his ears.
I can't see him.
Pugsley, who is it? Right here.
In
Look.
here!
Who is it? Look! Look! Who is it up there?
Whoa! Holy cow!
Oh, he took care of that.
Who's helping Mommy?
You're trying to bring it full screen.
Yeah. Who's helping Mommy?
Who's that?
Who's helping
Who's
Mommy?
that, Look! Who's it?
Who's helping Mommy? Okay, calm down. Who's helping Mommy clean the computer? He's looking at it. Look at you. Good boy, help him clean. Help him clean. You helping Mommy clean? He completely destroyed. Oh, he destroyed my computer. Oh, he's got to put her buttons back on the computer now. You've done that before, huh? Thank you for helping Mommy clean her computer. Okay, stop. Thank you for helping Mommy clean her computer. Who's that?